Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change volume on your headphones REALME T310. You have to start by open the application and now click on your headphones. Then scroll down and click on button settings. Now we have a left one and a right one earbud, and we can edit only for the triple tap. So if we click on the double tap, we have no information here about it, and it's the same with the press and hold. So for the left one, for the triple tap, I wanna add volume down, and for the right one, I wanna use volume up. And that's it. Now if you press 3 times on your right earbud, 1, 2, 3, you will increase the volume. And to lower it, just press 3 times on your left earbud. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!